Live, this is One for the Record. I'm Diana, and today is August 16th, 2013, and here are your news updates for today. Oh, late night tonight. I had to work. The Extinction Protocol 2012 and beyond. Powerful 6.5 magnitude earthquake rattles New Zealand. Also, today, let's see what else we got going on. Growing chaos, world powers condemn Egypt bloodshed as death toll rises to 525. Also, Bubble Mania. Why Mark Wolf Faber still thinks a 1987 style market crash is coming. Pain deepens in Eurozone. Unemployment hits record high in Greece. Alrighty then, that's more like political news or something. Okay. Breaking news. BreakingNews.com. Okay. Let's see what's there. California Union Fire reaches 100% containment, burning at 116 acres. Tornado warning issued for portions of Saskatchewan, Canada. That was 4 hours ago. So they must have added a bunch of stuff here. Let's see. Flight from Newark International Airport to Germany reported turning around to Newark. That's coming out of the NYCA Aviation. Aaron strengthens to tropical storm again. No coastal warnings in effect. That's coming out of NHC Atlantic. Three hours ago. This is an update. United 74 safely returns to Newark International Airport after reported loss of cabin pressure. Beaver Creek fire burns near Haley, Idaho. That's coming out of the Kings 5 Seattle 2 hours ago. Four injured in three-story apartment fire in Denver, Colorado, coming out of 9 News. Okay. Moving on, the Watchers watching the world. New paroxysmal eruption from Strombolian explosions and lava flow at Pacaya Volcano. High-speed solar wind speed buffeting Earth's magnetic field. G1 geomagnetic storm. Severe damaging and shallow earthquake magnitude 6.6 struck Cook Strait, New Zealand again. Okay. Moving on. E&E News, Energy News. Japan, Fukushima. Let's go into that one. Today, CNBC, cow terrorism from government's push to restart reactors. Nuclear power is unwelcome. Japan public fearful and resentful. Japan TV reveals cover-up of radioactive black rain. data. Doctor, this is really surprising. A bomb survivor. I feel nothing but resentment. Highest contaminated levels yet in seawater off Fukushima plant, 3,800 becquerel per liter of tritium. Also today, Asahi, radioactive cesium in Fukushima water now 8 times higher than when disaster began. Yesterday, Bloomberg, TEPCO now in talks to cover Fukushima reactors with concrete for the next 75 years. Officials reviewing plan in U.S. Okay, let's go to U.S. Canada. Nothing new. Alrighty then. It is 5 days down. We made it. It's Friday. It's almost Saturday, really, by the time you see this. Alrighty then. Take care. Be safe. Always be prepared for anything. And this is just going to be a short news update. Later on, I'll put Dr. Deagle and a whole bunch of other stuff. So, take care. Be prepared. Oh, and also, I heard on the radio out in the Space Coast, there's a 7-month-old child, heads up, that was poisoned by one of those laundry pods. You know how you get the laundry pods? Different companies make them. And you throw them in. Keep those out of the reach of children. They're and pets. They're highly poisonous. He died putting it in his mouth. Ate it. Put it in his mouth, and he just died. They couldn't save him. Also, that's terrible. Just heads up on that. Also, CIA admits Area 51 exists. That's all they admit, that it exists. They don't talk about anything else. Alrighty then. Take care. Be prepared for anything. And I'll see you tomorrow on the flip side. Hopefully not as late.